Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having a Saturday update about Metamaterial. As you can see, yesterday it was down. Okay, let me just see. Was it down yet? Yeah, it was down $2, 2% and 2.37%. We were down actually 7 cents, and right now we're sitting at price of right around $2.88. Okay, this is how it looks like on a daily chart. I have some predictions that I think that we're going to be touching this kind of zone and then push to the upside. Why do I think that? But mainly because this is a high volatile area right here too. Not that volatile, but kind of the bottom right here. And I know it's silly for me for saying that this is the bottom, okay? But it is what it is with that. Also, kind of scroll to the downside. As you can see, we did kind of already did touch this or kind of recreate this prediction right here. And right now, like we're going to be waiting for a break through out of this zone right here, okay, not zone but from a low right there. So like what I want to talk today is just about the truth about the trap TRCH shorts, okay. So this is from a guy from String Special from Reddit, okay. He absolutely said it as clear as possible. I could not find better kind of article or a paragraph that absolutely said the truth, okay. So we're going to be taking a look at that. And okay, so first of all, when George said he dropped the shorts, he was not lying. Okay, here is the proof. All of this information was taken directly from the SEC filings, so there is no like denying it. Okay, and here we have a list. So George tweeted yesterday the actual number of preferred shares that were issued. That for me was the missing link. I spent a few hours going through in detail each of the fillings to make sure I had the numbers accounted for, and even read back over old fillings to make sure I captured those that had stock options and like exercise them. Okay, they're listed below from the forms, like for the forms for force. Okay, after that it is just a simple math, and even a smooth brain can do it. Okay, I have also responded to some like one person that put the post today, asked him when he thought that this was will be covered, which should have already occurred according to all of the supposed rules and regulations. Okay, if you get a chance, go over and give it a like from it's from a Twitter. Okay, it's from IHORS3. Okay, so if you add TRCH and MMAT shorts together, we have total of 39,861 6 611,350 shares. Okay, right around 39.6 million shares. If we add everything up. Okay, so here we also have a detail about the MMT shares. He put all of this together a few days ago. He has also updated the Ortex data to today, but Fintel is not working right. So he used like the persons that I already mentioned above. I horse 3 data for the total short. So we have a squeeze coming, and I don't see how they get around it. Ordex utilization right now is 94.96%. Price is going up, and they have no shares left to borrow. Borrow max rate is now 230.7%. He says game over. Okay, so we own 68.27% of the float of the short. Percentage of the free float is 41.42%, with 65.36% of the free float on loan. Okay, so last Fintel data showed institutions with only 26 million, 26 point, no, 28.7 million shares. So all we have to do is hold, and that's it. Okay, every institution could sell, and they still have almost 11 million shares to buy. Okay, so it is just mad. Okay, short hedge funds are fucked. Okay, and we are meta strong. He says also that I own he owns a lot of this stock, and he says that I'm here for the long run. I held 14,000 TRCH shares for many years before this. I know I traded up with MMA team. I would love to pop these short hedge funds and then buy two times back after the run is over with their cash. Okay, don't bother asking me how high it will go. Depends on when you paper hand decide to let go of your shares. I have a number in my mind, and it's not of it's a triple digit number. Okay, and that is for sure, and it starts with the S or an E or an N. Okay, so right around maybe 600, maybe, I don't know, but maybe 800, 900. We don't know, but I will tell you this: it won't be straight up. Okay, it will run, retrace, run again, retracing over and over until we are done. OCTK run for weeks. No one knows. You just have to go off when you think it is right for you. Okay, and he already says that he has a plan for ABC, A, B, and C laid out, and they will probably go out the window once it starts. But who knows? Better to have a plan than not. He says, I should also mention that we are in a failing wedge formation, and we are very near for the off it. Okay, for your smooth brain apes, Google it. Okay, and that's it. But yeah, a lot of people are stoked right now. One person says that he does not know what to do right now. Like he's down like $65,000. He's like 82% down on his investment or something like that. And like he says, what do I do? Maybe just bro, just average down. If you happen to watch this video, and you're gonna have to wait a while, okay, before this even kind of gets to the break even levels. Like if you're averaging down, like it could happen fast, but also just chill out, okay. And like I know it's ugly now, but in 5 years you'll be happy you did this, okay. And another thing is that I noticed it's only 10% of his actual portfolio, so I will not kind of say that he's like that that's his life savings, as he mentioned. Okay, in the long term, in the long term he will be fine, but it's possible it will have a squeeze before year's end. Okay, before this year's end. This is just my opinion and not completely like defined, but extremely possible. And when those dividends come in and the reinvested and the shorts cover plus possible like press releases, this thing could potentially move like no other. Okay, so like I hope that you're still having hope. Like do not let go of your shares. Today is Saturday. I know the market is closed and all the other stuff, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about the future for Metamaterials. I mean, I'm just kind of doing bait to kind of so I can kind of like keep you updated, guys. But personally, for me, I'm not kind of tracing more about it. I'm just buying and then that's it. Like whenever I can and just holding my shares. That's it. Okay, as easy as that. And yeah, like that will be it for the kind of the fundamental side of things. Like right now, I just want to talk something more about the technical analysis right here. Okay, so as I said, right now, he says that the person that we just read his article said that we're in a falling wedge. Also, right here that we have a thing is here is was the last kind of low that we had before a long time ago. This was on 16th of April. Okay, and we don't want to see to break this. Even if we do, here we have another zone at right around 180 and 160. Right here we have zone at 269, 251. Okay, so these are kind of great zones, but I will be targeting this kind of area right here. And that it is sitting a price around 493, 481. Okay, but overall for the long term, as I said, my prediction is above $200 or something like that, but it is always up to you. As I already mentioned, it is always up to you, paper hands, and how much you want to hold. But peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and consider liking and subscribing. And bye.